This video will show you the format painter and some additional just general formatting. So the first thing I'm going to do, because it just really looks all wonky with the bullets out here and everything's just like weird, I'm going to put it in the normal margins. So I'm going to go to Layout and Margins and just put normal, and that's going to put 1 inch all the way around. The next, and you'll see that these bullet points are out here. We'll fix that in a minute. The next thing we're going to do is be sure that we get the page break in that we need. There should be a page break before Introduction, Teaching in the Savior's Way. So I'm going to click at the end of the word discussion and do Control-Enter to put in a page break. Now that I've got my page breaks in, I'm going to add my page numbers so I don't forget to do that. So I'm going to double click in the footer, and then I'm going to go to page number, and I'm just going to tell it current position and a plain number. And I didn't get a page number on page 2. If you look right here, I'm going to make it a little bigger and you can see there's no page number on page 2. See? That's because odd and even footers are on. So I'm going to take the check mark off of odd and even, and now I have a page number on every page, 1, 2, 3. So be sure you watch for that. That's just a little thing that'll get in your way and mess you up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is the painter, the format painter. These bullets that are way out in the margins and the one that's indented funny should all be so that the bullet is right on the margin or indented a little bit. I'm just going to put it right on the margin. The best way to do that is to put your cursor on the box under the bottom triangle on your top ruler, and then click and drag so that the top triangle is right on the margin. And see how that moved this in so nicely? Let me make it bigger so you can see. That's so much nicer than this. Now that I've got it the way I want it, I'm just going to click on the format painter once, and you'll see I have a little paintbrush attached to my cursor. See it? So now I'm going to just brush it over, just going to paint right over Sunday school teachers can attend, and it fixed it so that it looks exactly the same. But you'll notice I lost my paintbrush. So if I double click on the format painter, now I have the paintbrush until I'm through doing it. So I'll paint over this paragraph, and I'll paint over this paragraph, and I'll paint over this paragraph, and I'll paint over this paragraph. And now you see all of my bullets are the same. And then to get rid of it, you can either click on it again or you can press the escape key. I'm not going to do everything to make this document look good, but you'll notice that there are a few things in the example document that are not done here. Like there's a space between this heading and this text. Now you can fix that. I've already done the heading video, but you can fix that by telling this heading to have like a 0.6 after, something like that. Okay, and then see how it moved it down, and then just go up here and right click and update all the headings. That's why you use headings instead of the format painter. That's why you use styles instead of the format painter in something like this. Okay, I think that should give you everything you need for just the general formatting. So be sure and have a good time.